tire replaced a week ago from today. That bitch bald. So we're about to go get another one. I borrowed the truck to go do this. Oh, shaky. I borrowed the truck to go do this, so I don't gotta drive on a bald tire. But when I was trying to take off the tire, I noticed, hey, one of my lug nuts is missing. Wait a second. That whole screw is broken off, or that whole stud is broken off. That's a problem. And then, while trying to take them off, the one next to that one was stuck, and the only way to get it off was it broke that stud too. So I gotta get more studs, but I gotta change all the studs, not just those two, because it's not good to just change the two. But we're headed to tire shop real quick to make sure we make it there before they close. Then I guess to AutoZone or something to get the studs I need. Then hopefully this is a car I can take it out myself. Why are you so bouncy, bro? What the fuck? And new, damn, my hair crazy right now. New studs and new lug nuts right here. We got the new tire back there. Let's go. Hopefully this don't take too long, brother mans. Hopefully it don't take too long. I'm tired of this shit, man. I want to get to doing stuff on the car that I want to do, not that I have to do, bro. This shit, it's kind of fun, honestly. It is. But at the same time, brother man, I want to make this car what I want to make it already, bro. Watch. I'm going to throw the concept up right here. I've been working with a program to develop kind of the concept of how I want my car to eventually look for phase 1 at least. Well, we're headed back to Harbor Freight because I was trying to take off the pieces that go to the fucking pieces that go to the motherfucking, or the bolts that go to holding on the brake caliper or the brake caliper mount, whatever it's called. Not the actual brake caliper ones, but the ones that go to the mount right there, broke my ratchet, man. So I gotta go get a new little ratchet, but also gotta get small ratchet, but I also gotta get I guess more sizes for the impact gun or breaker bar. Supposed to be a simple tire change, bro. Just take it off and go to the store. And I go to take it off, I realize one lug nut is and stud is fucked up, right? Or one's gone. And when I'm trying to take off the one next to it, that one got stuck and then just broke off, right? So then I went to go get all the studs to replace the studs and lug nuts, right? To replace them. Went to go get those. Couldn't get them seated right. Last night I went to Home Depot. I don't know if I told you guys in the video. Went to Home Depot, got a bunch of washers. That worked to seat them all, except one. I'm hoping it's just the stud that's stripped and not the actual hub right there. Crossing my fingers, it's just the stud, hopefully. But now the lug nut is just spinning the stud, so it's not, the lug nut's not going on or off. So now I gotta go to the store to get a tool to bust the lug nut. To bust the nut, bruh, gotta go to the store to get a tool to bust the nut. And then I put on another new stud and lug, I guess. Hopefully this works. Nutbuster 3000, bro. But we're gonna see, and you can see where it's just, kind of see where it's just completely smooth. Put that on there. Okay, let me go get a, go figure out what size that is.